Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I will be showing you how to make these adorable turkey lollipops. I make them every single year for Thanksgiving, and they're also a great treat for coworkers. I'm going to share a fun fact. I actually posted this turkey lollipop idea on TikTok last year, and it aired on the Today Show with Hoda and Jenna on NBC. Not only did they play my video, but they also recreated it. I thought that was super cool and wanted to share that with you guys. You need your favorite lollipop. I love using these from Cease Candies. I love their chocolate, butterscotch, and cafe latte flavor. Ooh, they are so good. You need a fake leaf. I got these from the dollar store. I believe I got them at Dollar Tree. You need burlap fabric, googly eyes, candy corn, and your choice of ribbon. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the lollipop and tie it with your favorite ribbon. Now, using hot glue, glue your little turkey body to the leaf. Glue your googly eyes. Now cut the tip of your candy corn like this and glue it in place. Be very careful, don't burn yourself. There you go. It's that easy, and they turned out so adorable. I love making these every single year, and I always get compliments on how cute these are. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a like and share it with someone else. Oh, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I will see you soon, and I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving.